Okay, you guys tell me when it's okay to hit the button. I'm hitting the button.
Yeah! That is on!
I got these too.
Got it! Oh shit! This ain't gonna be good!
Crap, I need a longer range weapon. Wait, God, man. What the? Oh, thank you. I thought to myself, I know I'm going to jump down here so they can't reach me, and then they caught me in mid-fall.
Hey, wait a second. I gotta heal.
Reloading.
We'll get up in a second.
Over here, Ashley.
I think it's totally in the building. Come on, keep on. Talk. Oh, yeah, you scared. You bad guy. It's like climbing a salad. You dumb kid wearing dope.
Adrenaline shot here.
Okay, I just want to say that noise the zombies make when they're about to be crushed is absolutely horrifying.
Yes.
Oh, jockey, right behind you, Martina. Or Marita, I'm sorry. Marita, I'm terrible at that.
It's okay.
Watch out!
Reloading. Shit. Burn!
I'm back.
I got him.
Damn it.
We got behind you. Whoa!
Heads up!
Oh, man.
Reload!
This calls for a song. Special battle for life. Remember principle of life. Nothing gets to you. Staying cool. Holy shit, there's a tank right there. Run away, quick and fastly. Run away before he rips your ass.
That's beautiful.
Mentos, the press maker. Oh God.
Where did he go?
Bitch, I got adrenaline, I'm gonna drown. You can't do it. Hey, you can't catch up. You can crush me with a car. He killed me.
Stop shooting each other.
Oh, no way. Yay. Awesome. Thank you.
Charger and spitter.
I got him. I got the charger. Put her down.
Put her down.
Crap, no, we gotta get out of here. Run towards the dock. Run towards the dock. Go. Come, Matthew, on the way.
Hunter.
Go.
See that?
Get on. Run, Matthew, run! made just for you. That's freaking awesome. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll end it real quick.